In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Epic Games account. Creating an Epic Games account is the first step toward accessing popular games and services such as Fortnite and many other titles available through the Epic Games platform. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. In this video, I'll guide you through each step so you can create your account and start using Epic Games with confidence. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Once it's open, use the search bar to search for Epic Games. From the search results, select the official Epic Games website. Using the official website helps ensure you're creating your account on the correct platform. After the Epic Games website loads, look toward the upper right corner of the page. You'll see options such as Sign In. Even if you don't already have an account, click the Sign In option to continue. The page will load the Sign In screen, where you'll also find the option to create a new account. On the Sign In page, scroll down until you see the Create Account option, then click it to begin the registration process. The first hand, you'll now be asked to fill out your account information. Begin by enter your email address and continue filling in the remaining required information, including your first and last name, your preferred display name, and a secure password for your account. Take your time to review everything carefully before moving on to the next step. Once you've entered all of the required information, read through the terms of service and any other applicable agreements. If you agree, select the appropriate option and click Continue. Epic Games will then ask you to complete a verification step to confirm that you're a real person. After completing the verification process, you'll also need to verify your email address. Epic Games will send a verification code to the email address you provided during registration. Open your email inbox, retrieve the code, and enter it into the verification page to confirm your account. After the verification is complete, your Epic Games account will be successfully created. You can click your profile icon in the upper right corner of the website to view your account settings and manage your profile. From there, you can sign in to the Epic Games launcher and begin exploring the available games and features. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,